Welcome to Real Estate, Real Life. This is more than a conference. This is the room where it all compounds. Knowledge, relationships, wealth, legacy. Every session, every conversation, every connection you make here has the power to multiply, to grow far beyond today, creating ripples that will shape your future. Here, you're not just listening, you're leveling up. Not just taking notes, you're writing the blueprint for your freedom. Not just meeting people, you're building a tribe. This is where the best minds in real estate and investing converge. We'll unpack proven strategies and share real stories of failure and triumph to give you the playbook behind success. And behind it all, Nick and Dr. Elaine Stageberg, visionaries who built a $400 million portfolio with Black Swan real estate, builders who redefined property management with Black Swan living, and leaders who created Freedom and Legacy Blueprint MD to guide high-achieving professionals toward wholeness. But today, it's not about them. It's about you. This conference was built for you. The dreamer, the doer, the investor, the leader, the one who knows there's more and is willing to reach for it. Look around this room. Every handshake could be a lifelong partnership. Every idea could be a spark that 10x's your growth. Every breakthrough here has the power to compound for the rest of your life. This is the real thing. This is real estate, real life. Welcome to the journey where everything can change. Welcome to the community you didn't know you were missing. Welcome to the year of compounding in wealth, in wisdom, in freedom, and in legacy. This is your time. This is your moment. This is real estate, real life.